Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and this is the second coding class. Already I did the first coding class. Who didn't see that? I will give that in the link description. So please go and see that. Otherwise you can't understand maybe this chapter. So I am going to introduce the first chapter in the coding. So that is very interesting and that is very fun with some exercises. So whoever didn't see that video, please see that full video. And if you have any doubts regarding coding and any topics, please comment in my videos. So let's go into the topic. So today's topic is introduction to the coding. So what is coding and why it is good for kids? So I am saying coding is a valuable skill for kids. In the last chapter also I said that only. So coding is good for children, coding is good for children. So in this chapter I will deal with that, why is coding good for kids, and some of the introduction is untold in the video, so I will cover that one also. And anybody didn't ask any doubts, I am eagerly waiting for the doubts to solve them. So please give me doubts. So let's go into the topic. So introduction to the coding. So here in the coding means we are doing in the computer programming. So computer programming or coding, it is a crucial skill. So it is a skill that every child should be learn. So it will be already in the children, but we want to develop some more with the coding skills. So we want to develop more and more the programming or coding skills. So we use computers to solve problems and play games and many tasks. So if you think any games, suppose Temple Run or Subway Surf for Talking Tom or anything, we will play so many games. But how the games are working without coding, the game does not work. So coding plays important role in any task or any game or any computer programming. So that is the main importance of coding. And coding is also helps us to do many things. We can also create an app or a game with the coding if we learn the full coding chapters. So if we learn full course of coding, we can develop an app and we can chat with our friends. Now WhatsApp, we are using WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram. So these are also invented by the coding. So if we give the coding, so it will be possible. So and next slide. Everyone can learn to code. So not only kids, even adults or anybody will want to learn to code. So why I am saying it is only for kids means kids are the next developers of the world. So that's why if the kids learn coding from now, so it is very important and very useful to them, their lives. So I think you think coding and you think coding is not very much tough. It is just like solving puzzles or a riddle. So you can enjoy more by solving this coding. So coding we will enjoy a lot in these coding classes. So the time to start learn to code is now. So if the children learn coding now, it is very important. So coding develops many more skills in our minds. So we are under predicted time in the history. So why I used this, we are unprecedented time in history, because in the olden days there is no mobiles or any computers. After in some time the mobiles and the computers arrived in our world. It was invented by the major and main scientists, very great scientists. And after we are communicating and we are doing many more. We are doing everyone possible, like drones deliver the package of even pizzas. Now we are getting the pizzas even delivery doors with the drones, and we are ready to do the electrical car also. We are even to do many things to possible. So we are that much developed here in this world only because of computers and coding. So coding helps very much in our lives. This is the main point I will say in the every slide. and we will move on to the next slide. So now, why should kids learn to code? So why kids are learn to code? What is the use of learning kids to code? So there are many great reasons to learn computer programming, but here are two top. So these are in the two top positions. So if you learn programming, there are many uses, but two of them are very on the top positions. Your first one is coding is fun. So by doing coding, we are very fun. We are very fun, and we can play with the coding also. We can play with games. We can play with code. And next, coding is a valuable job skill. So if we learn code, coding is a valuable job skill. By learning code, there are many jobs. So many jobs in the coding. So coding is fun and coding is a valuable job skill. So that's why if the kids learn to code, it is very useful to them. And next slide. So I said two main points in the top. First one is coding is fun. Why coding is fun, we will see here. So now technology is being part of everyday life. So from morning to evening, we are using technology very much and so much. Without technology, we are not living from morning to evening. So every company, charitable organization and cause can benefit from technology. So even every charitable trust or any organization or any office, so they are getting so much benefits from the technology. There is technology, there is no office works, there is nothing in the world. So they are getting so many benefits from them. There are apps to help you buy, give, join, play, volunteer, connect, share just about anything you can imagine. So there are so many apps in our world, like WhatsApp, Image, Facebook, so many apps. We can play games, we can send messages, we can talk with each other, and we can play, and we can volunteer, we can connect each other, we can just share anything, we can share photos, and we can join each other, and we can play each other, and so many things are possible nowadays from the technology. And now coding is also fun in these main characters. So if the children, mainly children, if they learn coding, so they can understand. Suppose if you install WhatsApp or something, any app, so how it is working. So we want to just see the code. So they're given code like this. So that's why this is working like this. So this is the code for this, and this is, we can understand easily the coding. This is understand, we can easily understand any coding by learning coding. So children are the next developers of our country. So if they learn coding, so coding is very fun and they can use technology very much. And next one is coding is a valuable job skill. So why coding is a valuable job skill? I said many times, by learning coding we can get so many jobs. Why that one? See now. So coding is a skill of the 21st century. Now we are in the 21st century. Now we are in the 20th century, and next 21st century is coming. So in the 20th and 21st century, so coding is the most and best job skill. So jobs require more problem solving ability than ever before. So before times, the jobs means very easy. Nowadays, in the jobs or in the part-time companies, there are coming many problems. So by solving the coding, we can remove all those disturbances. And more careers involve technology as an integral requirement. And next, coding is equal to solving problems. So if we learn coding, we can solve problems. That's why coding is equal to solving problems. So now we are going to see chapter 1. So up to now, introduction completed. Now chapter 1, Python basics. So from here you can listen very carefully and you can write any notes. I think it is better to write a notes. So listen carefully from this. So here onwards I am starting the chapter 1, Python basics. Get to know our environment. I will say how to install Python and all thing in this chapter. So simple, easy to learn. And here you can observe a scientist named Guido van Rossum. He invented the coding. Guido van Rossum, he founded coding and he first step into the coding. So we will see Python basics chapter 1. So see, just about anything could have a computer in it. So if you take any object or anything, it has a computer in it. Like your phone, your mobile phone. Your mobile phone has a computer in it. So if you give input, it will give output. And a car means if you will drive, that is the input, and it will go how you directed in the roads or anything. So that is output. Or a watch, so you can change time or you can change date. So you are giving input and it is you are giving input and it is giving output. And a video game console. How many of you have the video game console? Please comment. So video game console, you can play with that. So a video game console also have a computer in it. And an exercise machine. So morning somebody do the exercise. So if you give the input here, input means so we will move front and move back, and we will do many things with that exercise machine. And a medical device like a BP tester or sugar tester, many things, industrial equipment or a robot. So robot is very crucial thing that is ruling our country now. And a computer programming or coding is how we tell a computer to perform a task. So we are telling to the computer to perform a task. So for example, if you open a PowerPoint, so we want to create a slides in it. So we are assigning a task to the computer and it is giving output to the computer. Now I am presenting a PowerPoint presentation to give you the coding class. And understand how to code puts the power of computer at your fingertips. So if you learn the coding, they are at your fingertips. So you can easily do the coding by learning the coding. And next, computer programming also called applications. So applications means apps. Apps are applications. So applications means apps. The apps can tell the computer how to keep track your favorite music. A game app can tell the computer how to display an epic battlefield with realistic graphics. So with an app, you can do so many things. Suppose you are listening a music app. Suppose in the music app, you have liked one music. So if you like that music, you want to save that one. In that app, there is a feature to save the your favorite music. So and a game app, if you are playing any game, so the background of the game gives you realistic feeling. So we are in that surroundings, we are in that field. So they will give very much realistic experience. So this is the Python basics up to now. And next slide. So Python installation. So I given the link. I will give this link in the description also. So if you want, please copy it and download this one, Python installation. So https://www.python.org/downloads. So to download the latest release version of the Python. So in this Python, the Python has the versions 4.8.5 like this. A version is there. You can download the latest software or you can download any software which you like. So please visit this link and download. If you have any doubts in that, please comment in my comment section. I will clear your doubts. So and this is the chapter 1 Python basics. So up to now this one is completed, and I will meet you again in the chapter 2. A very exciting we want to create a game in the chapter 2. So I will come with that new game. So whoever seeing first time my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any doubts, please comment in my channel description. And if you like these coding classes, please give me a like. And who are showing the coding classes from first to last, they are very useful. And who saw my videos without skipping from first to last, thanks for watching my video. We will meet in the next Python chapter class, the next interesting facts. Until then, take care, bye bye, stay home.